I just turned our voice agents into SMS chatbots in under 30 seconds with Retail AI's new SMS feature. Literally just one click. Prior to this, setting up this kind of omni-channel chatbot on Instagram took me around 3 hours, even using N8N's drag and drop features. Now, everything's synced and deployment happens instantly. I'll even show you a real build so you can do it yourself. What I'm about to show you is about to blow your mind. Retail just came out with this new feature called Make an Outbound SMS. Now you can add an inbound SMS agent and an outbound SMS agent. So you convert your voice agent to a chat agent and you can deploy it to SMS instantly with the click of a button. If we go into my call history and we click on chat history, in one of my previous videos, I had a golf club build that I had created. So now you can see this is the conversation that I just started. I'm looking to book a tee time. Which course would you like to play? So saying ranch course is closed, I'll say lakes course. And you can see that this is pretty much instant. If I refresh, you'll see that we now received a message. Awesome. The lakes course it is. How many players will be in a group and what date were you thinking about? So if we go into N8N where the automation is actually housed and we look on executions, it just asks me what time. I'm saying 9 a.m. with push carts. And in a second, you're going to see that this is going to run. There you go. And this is all directly from my phone. It's absolutely insane. And so I would have to modify this flow slightly because prior we were sending a text message through Twilio, whereas now all of that can be contained directly within Retail. The cool part is that it did capture all of that information as arguments. Look, I requested the 14th at 9 a.m. 4 players with push carts at the lakes course. We look at the time conversion here. It pulled out the valid time. So from there, it read our sheets. No existing tee times booked, therefore it would move down here and go to book it. So if I were to just debug this in the editor and copy out the Twilio step and drag it like this, and we test this step, you can see that it's been successfully booked, push cart, and had I set this respond to tee time, it would then ask if there's anything else that I can help with. So incredibly powerful, and it's quite literally the click of a button. This is an absolute game changer, and I've been speaking with a lot of their developers and they're also planning on deploying to email soon. So with that being said, let's dive into how exactly you can set this up. So it's really simple. You'll see down here, they've added in this new feature called advanced add-ons. You simply click on SMS and you have to enter in your account SID and your Twilio auth token. So you're going to come into the Twilio console and right here, you'll have your account SID, your auth token. You're just going to copy both of those, head back into here, drop them in. And once you hit save, you'll now have access to this inbound SMS agent and this outbound SMS agent, the same way that you would for call agent. You can choose the one that you want from the list. And there you go. You now have an SMS agent with the click of a button. So I hope you got massive value out of this. I hope you continue to sign clients. If you did get value out of this, consider dropping a subscribe. It's free, helps support the channel. And with that being said, I'll catch you on the next one. Have an incredible day. Peace.